Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Number 30 seed Bridgeport High up against the number 35 seed Mona High. This is Schools Challenge Quiz 2018. We begin with Bridgeport High, which is represented by team captain Fabian Forbes, Kevon Walters, Nicholas Forbes, and Marquis Campbell. And Mona High is represented by Prakash Sejwani, team captain Shanice Collins, Shamar Ellis, and Caswell Bayliss. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone and welcome to the 26th match in round 1 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host Yvonne Irving and your judges are Dr. James Smith for the sciences and Mrs. Teresa Easy for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge and the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss, Mona High won and decided to let Bridgeport High go first. So we begin with Bridgeport High. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock, please. Bridgeport High. Literature. Who is the author of the novel The Notebook?
Nicholas Sparks
is correct. Mona High. Literature. Who is the author of the novel The Time Traveler's Wife?
Audrey Niffenegger.
Correct. Local and international affairs. Bridgeport, this is a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Ronald Twaits. Ronald Twaits
is correct. Member of Parliament. Local and international affairs. A visual question for you, Mona. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Horace Daly.
Correct. Member of Parliament. Jamaican heritage. This is for Bridgeport. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Analaka tong mek. No, cow not talk. Jamaican heritage, Mona. Complete the Jamaican proverb. And not everything was soak up water.
A sponge.
Is correct. Music and audio question, Bridgeport. Listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
But there is no sunshine.
This is a new day. This is a new day.
No, it's I Smile. Music and audio question for you, Mona. Listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
All church down, heard and up.
Take me to the king. Take me to the king.
Is correct. French. This one for you, Bridgeport. Which month of the year is le juillet?
July.
Is correct. French for you, Mona. Which day of the week is le mercredi? Or le mercredi?
Wednesday.
Is correct. Theatre and cinema visual for you, Bridgeport. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Viola Davis.
No, it's Jada Pinkett Smith. Theatre and cinema visual for you, Mona. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Monique.
Is correct. At Bridgeport. When red and green paint are mixed, what color results?
White.
No, brown.
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 No, yellow. Art, Mona, this is for you. When red and blue paint are mixed, what color results?
Green.
No, magenta. Sport a visual question. This is for you, Bridgeport. Look at the monitor and identify the person, please.
Lion. No. Tiger.
No, it's Jim Furyk. Sport a visual question for Mona. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Sergio Garcia.
Is correct. Bible knowledge. Bridgeport. Arrange these books in the order in which they appear in the Bible. St. John, St. Matthew, Malachi.
Malachi, Matthew, John.
That's correct. Bible knowledge. Mona. Arrange these books in the order in which they appear in the Bible. James, Jude, Hebrews.
Hebrews, James, Jude.
Correct. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Bridgeport High on 4 points and Mona High on 8 points. It's time for the Digicel Viewer's Question. Our Viewer's Question comes from the category Chemistry. The question is, what is the household name for the substance with the chemical name sodium tetraborate decahydrate? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 422-QUIZ. That's 422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it will be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 2018 returns after these messages.